walking to Walgreens with no fucking shoes on.
Team no shoes, my motherfucking socks don't match.
We about to twerk in motherfucking Walgreens. Fuck you mean with no music.
Come on now, shake your booty a little bit. Come on, little booty you do got. Tisha. That motherfucker slowed up.
Teresa, we really gonna have to boom in at it. Cause look, that fat man, he don't play. Shit. So as soon as we walk in,
people.
We got a power walk. Cause he gonna be like, hey, turn around.
Or just hurry up and get on the other side.
What's up, people? Shit, motherfuckers be thinking we some thugs. My motherfucking hair kind of flying and shit. You know, be like that sometimes. Mashisha, how you doing over there? Why you smashing? Low key smashing this shit. You just showed all you back to the camera.
Hell yeah, we mobbing to motherfucking Walgreens like niggas be bopping outside like. Say bye. Can't get it.
Shit, these motherfucking new shoes, you feel me?
Is anybody in the front?
Yeah, who in the front?
Twerking, man.
Go around the corner, bitch.
Yeah, we bad bitches. Look, Teresa, look, record me. Hold on. Twerking with the titty. Twerking with the
Oh, bitch, fried. What's going? What up, teacher? You wanna come try to check your teacher? Huh?
Who paying for it?
You.
Alexa's paying for it.
twerking with the penis. Twerking with the penis.
Yeah.
Shit. Twerking with some almonds. Twerking with some almonds.
Look at little booty.
Little booty.
Stop.
No socks. No shoes on.
What? Put on. Bop.
Here. Record me back.
Okay. I thought it was fucking.
Wait. Come on, let's slide. Slide, G. Slide, Bob. Have you up here?
Yeah, only an L car.
Oh, you didn't know.
No shoes.
Be fine. How you doing?
She scared me. Hold on. Come to Walgreens. They have beautiful sunglasses.
Team Walgreens.
We ratchet. Come on, she probably gone. Yeah. Twerk, bitch, twerk. Twerk it like a red nose. Twerk. Twerk. Oh wait, here go my candy cane. My sister's twerking with papers. I fucked up my kneecap. Actually, kneecaps. Little booty.
Don't hide behind the computer.
This is the coolest register lady ever.
I see you. She said no.
Did my underwear?
We finna bake her ass for days, G.
What's this? Come to Walgreens. They have good tissue for you and your family.
She Ratchet.
Lovely open character teddy bears for your children. So
Do you want to build a snowman?
build a snowman? No, I do not. It's not winter.
It ain't winter no more, nigga.
It's winter, but you know, it ain't no snow.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Do you want to build a snowman? It don't have to be a snowman.
Look, it don't have to be a snowman. Look at the snowman.
Hola. We famous.
Olaf, you know we team Olaf. We Ratchet. You see the sneakers, man? I wish I had some of them right now. Hurry up before she leave. What?
What's this?
We finna get drunk.
Oh, my ankles.
Get your
Oh,
foot
I'm
in
falling. I can't get up.
Stop.
We ratchet.
Come on, G. Look at all this candy. All the candy. All the candy.
Come to
All the...
Walgreens.
Come to Walgreens.
Hey, Teresa. Romantic guys be like,
It ain't gonna come out. You see these flowers? They ain't even real. We fried. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Don't block the camera now. You know you want to be seen on Facebook. We was turned up in Walgreens. Team turn up.
twerking in the parking lot.
Twerking in the parking lot.